Hey everybody! Today I'm going to be making a margarita pie. For that you're going to need a 9-inch graham cracker crust. You're going to need a package of original unflavored gelatin. You're going to need a 1/4 cup of water. You're going to need an 8-ounce container of Cool Whip, 3 tablespoons of sugar. I'm using Splenda. You're going to need green food coloring. You're going to need a 1/2 cup of tequila, and you're going to need a cup of margarita mix. Okay, so what you're going to do is while you're making your filling, put your graham cracker crust in the freezer and put your 1/4 cup of water in the microwave until it boils. Okay, I had mine in for about a minute. Then you get your gelatin, you pour that in, and you mix it till it's dissolved. Okay, now in a large bowl, you get your margarita mix, and you dump that in. You get your sugar, you dump that in. And then you get your food coloring, and you put about 5 drops of this in. And you put your tequila in. And you whisk this up until the sugar is dissolved. Now when your sugar is dissolved, you get your gelatin mixture, and you put that in and you whisk that in until your gelatin is dissolved. Okay, now you put plastic wrap on this and put it in your fridge for about 30 minutes. Okay, so after about 30 minutes, you take your tequila mixture out that you had in the fridge. You take that out and you take your Cool Whip out. Now you take 1 cup and a 1/3 cup of your Cool Whip and you set that aside, and you put the rest of the Cool Whip in here and you mix it really good. Okay, when you got your mixture mixed really well, you could add more food coloring if you want. If you're cool with this color, then you get your pie shell, you pour it in here, and you cover it up and you let it sit overnight or 3 hours. Okay, so what I did is the cup and the 1/3 cup of Cool Whip that I reserved for the top of the pie, I got a 1/4 cup of the tequila and I mixed that in, and it's gonna give it more of like a boozy taste. Okay, so I left my pie sit 24 hours. Now I'm gonna put the rest of the Cool Whip onto my pie. Okay, so there you have it. One margarita pie. Hope y'all enjoy.